Hello everyone, how to find maximum value in Excel without max function. So let's start. So here you can see in this data, I'm going to find the maximum quantity amount sold for a particular product. So just copy this product name and paste here. Quantity, paste here. Then I copy this product name and select the cell and use the is equal to and use here dmax function. So in dmax function, select first database. So here I select the entire data and use the comma, then select the field. So I select the quantity and criteria is product name. So I select both cell and bracket closed and enter. So here the max mouse quantity is 25 in this data. You can see the mouse 15, mouse 25 and mouse 18. Okay, the maximum value is 25. Now I copy this product name and paste here keyboard. So keyboard maximum value is 35 in this data. The keyboard 20, keyboard 30, keyboard 35 and keyboard 28. So 35 is a max value. So this is a way you can find maximum value in Excel without max function. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.